Hello awesome learners! Welcome back to my channel where English becomes your best friend. Are you ready to travel back in time with me? Today you are going to master the past continuous tense. This tense helps you to talk about the actions or states that were happening in the past. For example, you can use it to talk about the actions that were taking place in the past and another action or states interrupts them. For example, she was dancing salsa when my mom called. Or you can use it to talk about the actions that happened in the past at a specific time. For example, yesterday we were having breakfast at 8:30. You can also use it to talk about actions in the past that were happening at the same time. For example, when he was having a shower, I was cooking food. Are you ready to learn more? Let's get started. To form the affirmative form of the past continuous tense, we use the to be verbs was and were, depends on who and what. Look at the sentences. First, subject, next, to be verb, and at the end, verb plus ing. After your verb, you can bring objects. Look at the sentences. I was eating. You were running. We were swimming. They were dancing. She was studying. He was flirting. It was calling. We use the negative form of past continuous to talk about something that was not happening in the past. We use distance in a negative way, just add was not or were not, or in the short form, wasn't or weren't. Look at the example. I was not or I wasn't eating. You were not or you weren't running. We were not swimming. They weren't dancing. She was not studying. He wasn't flirting. It was not calling. We use past continuous in the question form when we want to ask about something that was happening in the past. The form is super easy. The only thing you need to do is to switch the order of was or were, depends on who and what, and the subject. Look at the sentences. Was I riding? Were you laughing? Were we sleeping? Were they cleaning? Was she crying? Was he playing? Was it closing? It's like asking what someone was doing at that time in the past. Now, to give a short answer to the question in past continuous tense, the only thing you need to do is to put yes or no, then your subject, and then your to be verb, was or were, depends on your subject. Look at the example. Were they enjoying playing video games yesterday? Were they enjoying playing video games yesterday? Can answer yes, they were, or no, they were not, or no, they weren't. Next example. Was he watching TV when she got home? Was he watching TV when she got home? Yes, he was. Or no, he was not. Or no, he wasn't. Now it's your turn. I want you to answer this question. Were you smoking when I entered the room? Were you smoking when I entered the room? Yep, that's right. Yes, I was. Or in the negative, no, I was not, or no, I wasn't. Homework time. Look at the sentences. I want you to find the mistakes and correct them. If you like, you can write your correct sentences in the comments below, and I'll be there to give you feedback and correct any mistakes. Alright, buddies, you've learned another tense in English. Thanks for hanging out with us, and let's make this video sparkle with your likes. Please subscribe to ElliEnglish for more language learning content. Catch you in the next lesson, and until then, keep learning and growing.